Hello, perhaps you already seen the two stories in regards to these two BRAWA locomotives on our channel. Many thanks for this. Models wonderfully sad as a general experience for the collector with real nice aesthetics but real ugly factory ready defects and malfunctions. We searched for a treatment, we identified the defects and different possible solutions, but in the end it proved above our knowledge. That's why allow us to introduce you Alex from Arad, Romania, a kind of national doctor in H0 for such issues. We thank Alex for his help, especially since at one point we had exhausted almost all the possibilities to fix those defects on our own. Moreover, we strongly consider that as collectors, we do not have the obligation to become repairers of these models, which, among other things, are also very expensive, supposedly to deliver high quality. Links with the first videos with both models are placed just to be clicked at the end of this video as well below. Speaking about, clicking the like and subscribe buttons really help the objective of this playground channel. Also, link to Alex's channel is provided in our section with partner channels. Long story short about factory delivered malfunction on this model, it was the engine. It was the engine without any, let's say, 60 seconds of first usage. It was the engine in such a way that only the total replacement of it could be done. The BRAWA GRAVITA one. A really wonderful and complex H0 digital project, but real factory disaster delivery as final product. Default malfunctions long list. Real low quality sound project. Digital couples random functioning. Ventilator mad speed. Light system with unreal high values. First, Alex added back its personality by replacing the original factory package sound, a kind of joke the BRAWA's one, played on 𝖍𝖍𝖟 with the 𝖍𝖍 original project sound for their GRAVITA model. It is interesting to notice that both brands launched the GRAVITA model in the same time, which brings once more in front of us a certain selling strategy where competitors are maybe in fact partners. Next, the light project has been adjusted to become much more real than the discotheque served to us as customers, where even the light dimming effect on engine start sequence has been now adjusted. We also added a bit of fun with the emergency light effect. Because we are and we will be always as stubborn as we can in taking the maximum of digital capabilities, the cabin light auto switch sequence it is now implemented. Third repair. No matter what has been tried, the digital couples could not be fixed, and as a temporary solution they got replaced by loco usual type, which are clearly not for this locomotive, as you can see. As well, it was impossible through the 𝖍𝖍𝖟 decoder to adjust the digital time of uncouple, as BRAWA decided to implement their own electronic platinum as a completion of the decoder job, and on this aspect nothing is allowed in terms of fine-tuning. Last but not least, the ventilator speed has been adjusted at the lowest possible to be used value, as the connected plastic rotor to the engine energy does not handle lower speed than you can see here. In the end, we have a decent GRAVITA, somehow compatible to a decent presentation and perhaps only sometimes running on the track, as its complex manufacture of the details put you in the detective job after the run, only to collect its mini parts, falling especially from the bogie assemble.